Good morning and welcome back. So I got up at 6 today, super solid. I felt pretty tired because I biked around a lot yesterday. And then I biked downtown to Parcel 5, aka the Rock Pit. I snapped that shot. And now it's smoothie time. I'm gonna sneeze at some point. Maybe not. Oh, allergies, man. And I'm gonna change up my smoothie recipe a little bit. I got some cocoa powder that's raw, and it's supposed to be better for you with more health. And then I also have some Greek yogurt, because that's supposed to be great for you as well. I don't know if I just said as well twice. Hopefully not. And that's about it. Currently what's in my smoothies, because I know you care, is a frozen banana. And that was supposed to be a 1, but it was off camera, so I'm just kind of like pretending that it was something else. So a frozen banana, strawberries, blueberries, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, and peanut butter. And then what I'm adding is cocoa powder, and I don't know if you say that differently or not, cacao powder, and then some Greek yogurt, and that should do the trick, whatever the trick is. The idea is to boost immune system health, because potentially that can help you not have as bad allergies, and I'm all about that. I like having not as bad allergies. How about you? Same? Same.